Hiya. As you can see, I'm heading towards a park. Now this is Victoria Park in Waterloo. And I've just gone through one of the many entrances. And I decided to come here because when I went for a walk yesterday, Mother's Day with my daughter, we came through Victoria Park. And even though it was chucking it down, it was a lovely walk. This is where they used to do the fireworks displays. When I pass Victoria Park, usually I go that way, walk along. So yeah, it's huge. I don't know whether I'm going to cover it all. Look at all the daffodils, aren't they lovely? That's the entrance I've just come in. Oh, somebody's lost their toy. Oh. What am I doing walking there? Bluebells, I think. Looks beautiful anyway. I didn't actually see the flowers there as I walked across. I didn't stand on any, so. But look, isn't this just wonderful? And the day is lovely. Beautiful, beautiful sunshine. And it's not that cold. That's the exercises at the park over there. But here, I didn't see any yesterday, but my daughter said there's usually squirrels, which I knew that, I just always forget. The grey ones, the grey squirrels, but you know what? They're still beautiful. A lot of people don't like the grey squirrels, but I like squirrels, love squirrels. This is just beautiful. Oh, look at Robin. Oh, did you see that? Oh, I frightened it away. It's my mum keeping me safe. Where's it gone? I can actually see it, it's in the bush. But you see, I don't like going through parks on my own. I never feel safe, I don't know why, I just don't feel safe going through parks on my own. Especially this big park. But there's lots of people about. And I think that Robin was my mum keeping an eye on me. My mum was the first to say, don't be going through parks on your own. There's lots of tree carvings in this park. Oh, I'm seeing no squirrels, but I'm hearing plenty of birds. It's such a beautiful park. I hope I did catch that robin on camera because I was aiming towards it when I suddenly spotted it, but as soon as I mentioned it, it flew away. See, there's lots of, like there's teenagers over there playing footy. I've just passed a couple with the little toddler. There's dog walkers, so it's not deserted, it's not empty, but it's such a big park. Look at this dog. The owners just walked past me. Hello. Oh, okay. That's another entrance. Let's see, there's a sign, welcome to Victoria Park. Love and respect your park. We hope you'd enjoy your visit. Please use bins provided for litter and dog fouling. So let's go this way. So much nature. You can hear the birds. Daffodils. Oh, another dog. Again, the owner's with it. I love the trees. So you just see how huge this place is. There's the clock face over there. I'll show you in a minute. You can hear the gunfire, the train in Elka. Right, this years ago, like a friend recently, Alex, on doesn't live that far. He mentioned this. It was called the clock face, and it was beautiful. It was full of flowers, and it had a clock. And it was like the flowers did the numbers, and it's it's actually smaller than I remember, but when you're kids, it's huge, isn't it? But they've still got it, so if you're watching Alex, it's still here. It's just not got the flowers, unfortunately, but I'm glad it's still here anyway. Look at the sun, isn't that lovely? Right, which way should I go now? Let's have a look. It is so huge, this park. That's College Road, so if you continue that way and round, you'll get near Tesco. Hope you're enjoying this. Hope you don't find it boring, but I absolutely love it. Look at these, aren't they lovely? Tiny little daffodils. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Isn't that lovely? That is so beautiful, that. Look at that. It's like a bridal bouquet, isn't it? I like that. Not sure what it's called. Is it some kind of blossom, maybe? It's beautiful. Right, let's go another way. I made up you saw that anyway, the clock face. Oh, squirrel, 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 squirrel. It's just, what's he just there? Do you know what, it's going to go by the time I get up. I've zoomed in. Hopefully I can, it's still there, I can see it. I don't know whether you can see it, but it's still there on the left. I don't want to frighten it. You see? Just there. Can't see it now. It is. Oh, brilliant. Oh, it's legging it. Well, I'm happy I got the squirrel anyway. There is wood carvings somewhere, and I can't remember the entrance. There's so many entrances. So here's another one. Let's see. It possibly could be that way. Oh, I'm so happy I saw that squirrel. It's there again. Just can you see? Oh, cute. How cute is that? Oh, he's lovely. Oh, I'm so glad I came here today. I'm so glad I feel confident to come here because, I don't know, it's in me that I just don't like going in parks on my own. He's still there. Oh, look at the sun through the trees. But there is lots of people here. You can't see them obviously because I'm not filming towards them, but there's a lot of people with the dogs, with the children. I think up this way is the carvings, the wood carvings. Look at this tree. I don't want to do this too long, this video, but I don't want to do part 1 and part 2 either. So I'll pause it for now until I get to the end of here. Pigeon. It's a bit waterlogged here, isn't it? So you've got the just about how big this park is, and I'm just made up because not only did I see the squirrel, I also saw a robin. I don't know whether I got the robin on camera though. I was aiming towards it, but then I realised it was a robin, and then it was gone. And I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure I saw it afterwards, but it was too high up in the trees. Do you know, I can't even find where the wood carvings were in the trees, and I think it's the other end, College Road end, because I'm kind of going further away here. So let's just turn back, I think. I saw them yesterday, so I'm not imagining it, and they've been there years. I just can't remember which entrance they were. This place is huge. Okay. I think we turn back. Aren't they lovely? We turn back, I think. Oh, look at this dog, it's huge. It's huge. Yeah, I'm going to turn back the other way and find it. They look nice. The flowers right along. That's not a sight you see in a park, is it? Usually. That's funny. Just the sounds of nature, it's so relaxing. It's a gorgeous day. It's a little bit cool. It's not cold, but it's not hot either. It's a little bit cool, but it's nice. Just as well, really, because I'm searching for these tree carvings. Look at that tree. Gosh, some of these trees have been here years, haven't they? You can tell by looking at them. I've got a feeling, a rough idea, I know where the tree carvings are. That's another entrance. Loads and loads of entrances and exits. Magpies over there. There's one for sorrow, two for joy. Well, there's two together there. It's like Lucy knows I'm coming. Liking it. Right, I've got a feeling it's this way. Oh no, 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 I think it's that way actually. Oh, for goodness sake. Right, I've kind of come out. So what I'll do, I'll come out and I'll go right along this way. Because this is College Road. Oh my goodness. I think it's right down that way. I think it's the entrance to that way. That sun. Right, so this is another entrance, College Road entrance, and I think it is near here. I hope so anyway. Yeah, I found two here. I'm sure there was more. I'm sure there was like a group of them. But at least I found two. I knew I wasn't going mad. I know I got one at the beginning of the video, but these tree carvings are amazing. So creative. I'm sure there's more though. It's so peaceful, isn't it? It's so lovely. The wood pigeons you can hear. So at least I've seen some wood carvings. I'm sure there was more, but never mind. So I'm gonna go that way and head back the way I came. Magpies. They look young though. I think there's finches here. It's too fast though. You can hear them anyway. Cute. Gorgeous. Right, so I hope you've enjoyed Victoria Park. I've enjoyed walking through, and it's nice seeing lots of people walking as well, and hearing the nature sounds, the birds, seeing the squirrel, even the robin, which I'm really hoping that I managed to capture on here. So I'm going to go home, upload this, and while it's uploading I'll make a cuppa. I've already done my hoovering, so I don't need to do that. That's done. I'll have something to eat, I think. But look at the just the sun shining through. It's beautiful. Bird's nest up there. Spring is on its way. Needs to tell the temperature that though, because it's a bit cool. Pigeon. Right, so I'm going to go that way now, which will take me on to St John's Road, the side roads. Back to where I started, so thank you for walking with me, and if you've stayed to the end, thank you again, and I'll catch you later. See ya.